friends, Running Kimono here. So it is January the 31st, the last day of January, and we have a hot deal for some free skincare. Special shout out and thank you to Daily Deals with Daisy over on Instagram. She posted this deal this morning and it is fantastic. And I have a way to get it for free, but we're just going to look at this deal on its own and then with a booster. So we're going to do this as a curbside pickup. I believe this item, this L'Oreal skincare, is just a little bit more expensive in store. So let's try it for a pickup. So that blue box on the left-hand side, click it on your desktop computer, tablet, or phone, and we're going to order it through the home, drive to the store, pick it up, get a receipt, and make the magic happen. Okay, so the first deal is just to pick up this lotion. So this is a really nice lotion as well. It's $12.49 on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. It is the L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture Filler Face, blah, 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 fragrance free. I got my mom some of these for Christmas and she really enjoyed them. It's a very soothing lotion, especially in the dead of winter if you live in a very cold climate. Now we're going to load this coupon, which is a 12 off of 2. I believe this showed up either last week or the week previous, a very high value coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. Really great one. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $2 back for each L'Oreal skincare product, and this should qualify, so like how nice is that? So you're going to get $4 back for this purchase, and it's L'Oreal after all, so it's a really solid deal. Okay, so we're looking at this deal, putting 2 of these into a basket. That is $18.73. Your curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. The $12 manufacturer is coming off, so the new total is $7.85. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash as you're not using a booster with this little dealio, by all means go for it. Pay down the balance and then go and pick up this item. You're doing this deal with IBOTTA, you need a physical receipt. So go to the photo counter and say, hi, I'm here for my order. I need a receipt. Hopefully they can help you out. You're going to get $4 back. So it shakes it out to $2.73 for the 2 or $1.36 per lotion, which is a killer price point. Question is this part of Beauty Club? And yes, it is. Spend $25, get $7 back in Walgreens cash, that little reward that many of us got. It's attaching to the skincare. So let's look at a deal utilizing that specific booster. So this is deal number 2. So to your store card, you need this guy loaded. If you used it earlier this week buying Olay body wash or God knows what, you can't use it. It's a one and done per account, just to note that. So we have our 2 beautiful L'Oreal Paris, and then we're going to throw in 2 of the toothpaste at $3.99, and that's on a promotion of buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash this week. And a lot of you might be scratching your heads and saying, what, toothpaste? But yes, this specific one, not all of them are tracking for Beauty Club, which is kind of strange. So you really have to read the fine print when you're buying your toothpaste. Like, is it included? Is it not included? This is the digital coupon that you're going to load, guys, which is a 4 off of 2. And then you're going to look for this below the coupon, which is 25 Beauty Care Personal, 7 Walgreens cash. That's the message you're looking for. And it's also tagged in store to buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So it's not showing on the website, but it should show up after you pick up your order. A couple hours after, when your Walgreens cash posts, you should get an extra $4. So let's take a quick peek at the summary. It's $26.71. So you have hit your threshold of $25 of beauty care. The $4 for Colgate and the $12 for the L'Oreal Paris is coming off. So it's $12.31 that you're going to pay with your debit card as you're using that booster of spend 25, get back 7. That's why. So in the last slide with our debit card, you're paying that amount. Tax is always different per state or whatever, so it might be a little bit more, it might be a little less. You're going to get back $7 in Walgreens cash for that booster, $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate, and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for the L'Oreal to get $2 back for each, so that's $4. So it makes this free plus a $2.69 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash, or if you're going to do this alternatively in the store, don't use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash as you're using that booster, and it will mess everything up. So, I mean, this is the time of the year to stock up on these lotions and potions. What a superb deal. And in case you missed it, if Olay body wash is your thing, you really love it, I posted a deal yesterday evening to get these for 33 cents each. Like, this is Walgreens from 4 or 5 years ago to see deal after deal after deal this week. They are just spoiling us. You might want to check out this video tons of great information on how to get some body wash on the cheap. This one is in-store only as you're working with 2 register rewards, but good luck, guys. What a fun week it's been over at Walgreens.